Hello people and welcome. This is just a wee preview of Minecraft Pocket Edition update 0.7.1, and as you can see the whole sort of page is gone different, and the setting bars here can change the names, a whole lot of different things. And so I'm just gonna have voice. I'll show you what's new. Oh no. Oh. Anyone creative. Can't be bothered to make it. A name on it. So, oh, I don't know why that's come up. Okay, so as you can see, there's buckets of water, plain buckets, bucket of water, bucket of fire. There's cake, eggs, spawner eggs. So, just going to show you what these are for. This one is of a sheep, and most of the time the third one is a baby one, spawn of a pig. Okay. Then cow. Yeah. Then there's chickens. I might also be putting on a video of like making a pig farm. Oh no, so a chicken farm, which is like when there's like a chicken that's, well, I'll show you it when I've made it. So yeah, thank you. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.